Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a Camaro. This one is fixed up. It's got a new motor in. Nice calipers. It's got the spoiler in the top and the bottom. In the back. Later on, I'll show you guys the motor. But anyway, I'm gonna arm the system. Hit lock, locks the doors. Disarm it. Unlock. Remote start it. Because of 2 remote controls, you can arm the alarm, disarm the alarm, remote start the alarm, pop the truck. Turn off the alarm. Hold the start button down and that turns off the alarm. Okay, somebody bangs in the window, we'll fire off the alarm. He'll get the alert on his phone. Tells you the alarm was triggered. Okay.